Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the hood supports, the struts on a BMW E65, E66. This one particularly, it's a 2003 745 AY. That's the long base, but it's the same for E65, E66. Okay, those are, as you can see, our hood, it's not holding. If you let it go, it just drops, and that's not good, guys. If you need to do something, you always have to support it. So you can buy actually the shocks on eBay. You can get both of them pretty inexpensive for less than 20 bucks. Both of them, brand new ones, and they're good quality. We used them in the past. They come with warranty and stuff, but I bet they'll last as long as the original ones. Okay, as you can see, that's one of them, and we need two for that job, because if you replace only one, it will hold it temporarily, but it will eventually go out because it will support all the weight by itself. So now, in order to remove it, what you need to do, you need a small screwdriver like that. And right here, if you stick it on top, you need to pull that metal piece out. Okay, it's very limited room there, but you need to get it out on both sides, and when you pull it out, you can pull the shock out. Okay, just like that. And there is the same thing on the bottom one as well. And the new ones come with the new metal plates there, so you don't need to worry about not losing those, but usually they might tend to fly away, so be careful. And as you can see, this is the factory one. It says E65 on it. Check. Okay, and when you get the new one, all you need to do, just press it in. You don't need to pull the metal plate out now. Okay, and the top one as well, you need to turn it, line it up, and just press in until it clicks. Okay, you're going to hear it now. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, right there. You see? And it went in, and now it's even holding it. One is holding it, but we recommend replacing both of them. And as you know, okay, this one is the same procedure as the other one. It doesn't matter left, right, both of them are the same way. Yeah, you can see how bad this one is. It just completely shut. It's not holding at all. And they go bad eventually over time. I think after the 10th year those shocks get bad. But for only 20 bucks, guys, you can make it work again, and it's not that expensive. Okay, now you need to turn this one, and some of them are pretty tight because they're still brand new, never been moved, so you need to make sure it lines good before you push it in, because otherwise it won't be able to push in all the way. Okay, like that, and as you can see, it went in all the way. Okay, and now, as you can see, the hood is standing on its own. Okay, like that. Okay, guys, and now you can see it's holding pretty good. You need to push on it quite a bit to actually open it, close it, and now you can see it opens on its own. So for 20 bucks, guys, you can have the hood supported pretty good. Thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.